everyone. With this video, we will demonstrate how to assemble Samsung Galaxy A80. Assemble camera on the camera module. Attach the hinge FPCB in between hinge. Please note, ensure that FPCB does not damage during assembly. Tighten 4 screws. Assemble Sub PBA and connect FPCB. Connect camera connector. Tighten 4 screws. Conduct physical inspection for slide case before assembling. Check if MIC rubber is attached. Check if dust protecting rubber is attached on the white place. Check if magnet tape is attached properly. Check if slide case is bent. Connect all connectors. Assemble the slide bracket. Tighten 8 screws. Attach double face slide window tape. Remove protection vinyl. Attach window display slide tape. Fix and assemble fingerprint sensor. Tighten 2 screws. Assemble Sub PBA. Tighten 1 screw. Fix and align coaxial cable. Connect LCD FPCB on the Sub PBA connector. Assemble geared motor. Tighten 2 screws. Connect Main PBA. Connect FPCB connector on Sub PBA connector. Assemble Main PBA. Tighten 5 screws. Connect all connectors. Fix and align coaxial cable. Connect FPCB connector on Main PBA connector. Assemble the motor link. Tighten 2 screws. Assemble NFC, MST antenna and rear cover. Tighten 14 screws. Attach back glass outer tape. Remove protection vinyl. Attach back glass top tape. Remove protection vinyl. Assemble back glass. Put device into the pressing pad and press the window pressing jig with force 1 Newton for 1 minute. And take out the device from window pressing jig. Assemble the SIM or SD card tray. At last, do the final inspection. So this is how we can assemble Samsung Galaxy A80. Hope this video was of great help. Thank you for watching.